Hi guys, welcome back to EaseUS channel. Today, our topic is how to transfer photos from iPhone to Mac. Photos are one of the media we use most every day, and there are some scenarios you need to transfer photos from iPhone to Mac. Your iPhone storage gets full, so you need to free up the storage taken with photos. You want to make a backup of your iPhone photos. You want to share photos with others who own a Mac. You have the demand to imprint the photos on your iPhone. But how can you import photos to your Mac computer? There are 3 ways to do that. The first method is to use AirDrop. Swipe up to open the control panel and press here to access AirDrop settings on iPhone. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AirDrop. Set AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes. Then, go to the Photos app, select the photos you want to move to Mac, tap the share icon, choose AirDrop, and tap the recipient Mac. On your Mac computer, launch Finder. From the left panel, choose AirDrop, and it will connect to your iPhone. When the selected pictures are delivered, there is a pop-up window asking to decline or accept the AirDrop photos. Click Accept, and the images will be downloaded to your Mac. The second method is to use EaseUS MobiMover. It is a professional iOS data transfer software that can export all images from iPhone to your Mac for backup. Click the button to download and install EaseUS MobiMover to your Mac and launch it. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and unlock it. Trust this computer so that your Mac can access the data on your iPhone. There are several transfer modes on the left panel. Choose and click Phone to Mac. Click Next, and you can select what you'd like to transfer. By default, all the data will be selected. You can click to deselect the data you don't want to move to your computer. Then, choose the category of pictures and click Transfer. All your iPhone photos will be moved to your Mac. Wait until the photo transfer process ends. Now let's come to the third method. Transfer photos from iPhone to Mac via image capture. First, you need to connect your iPhone to your Mac using a compatible cable. Then, launch Finder. In the search bar at the top right of the window, type Image Capture to locate the software. Click to open it. In the pop-up window, you can view all the photos on your iPhone. You can click Download All to transfer all the photos from iPhone to Mac. You can also click the first image you want to transfer and press the Shift key to choose More. Then, click Download. The selected images will be imported to the Pictures folder on your Mac. That's all for this video. If it helps you transfer photos from iPhone to Mac, please like and subscribe.